Let's face it, the stock RT height is pretty tall. In this clip right here, I can literally fit both my arms through the fender liner to pop out the stock chrome gas cap. Alright guys, so this is what you can expect with the Eibach Pro Kit. I really dig the look, gives it a more aggressive stance. Alright guys, so this is what the car looks like from the side profile. The lowering springs do cause a little bit of camber, not sure if you can see it too well from the video. I know some people aren't a fan of that. There are camber correction kits available. They are pretty pricey, and for me, it's not a big deal. The camber kit might be worth it from the start if you decide to go with the sport line. However, this Pro Kit here, I feel doesn't need it from the start.